Without confidence in your gear, you have little to go on. As such, bounce testing is key to building a sequence of solid, trustworthy placements. Of course, there are times when you slot the perfect nut in perfect solid granite or make a textbook cam placement where all cam lobes have 100% surface contact and rock that your grandma would make a coffee table out of. These placements are obviously bomber and need little to no testing. These are the kind of placements that make you breathe a big sigh of relief after being strung out on sketchy gear for miles. For everything else, there's bounce testing. So this is what you do.
So I've chosen my next piece and made a placement up here. Before I move off of the piece that I'm currently on and on to the next piece, I want to test it so I can be confident in how strong that piece actually is, whether or not it will be sufficient for only body weight or if it will be strong enough to hold a big fall. So I've clipped my aider to the piece, and now I'm gonna apply a little bit of weight and force to it, and I'm gonna gradually increase that weight and force as I build confidence in the security of that piece. So right now it's really important to be nice and low on the piece that you're on so that if the upper piece does pop, you don't fall. So I'm gonna get down here maybe a little lower, so I'm well below my upper piece, and I'm just gonna stand, bounce on this aider a little bit, and I'm kind of looking at the piece to see if it makes any funny movements or anything up in there. I also want to be careful that I don't look directly at it so that if it is a bad piece, it pops out and knocks me in the face. You want to have the same number of teeth at the top as you started out with. So right now, I feel a little good. So I'll just shift my weight over on it and give it a little bounce. Look what it does, and as my confidence increases, I'll generally put all my weight on it. Once I'm here, we call this a full bounce test. This is the most force I can really apply, and that really solidifies my confidence in the piece.
If everything stays put and looks good, climb up those aiders, remove your set from the previous piece, and carry on.